Hi, I'm Dan with Williams Toyota Lift, and today I wanted to talk about this brand new Toyota electric end rider pallet jack, model number 8HBE30. Now this unit is an absolute workhorse with a base capacity of 6,000 pounds. It runs on a 24-volt lead acid battery, 510 amp hours. You have your watering system and also your blinky light. This makes it really easy to maintain the battery. Moving on to the forks, you have your standard 48-inch long, 27-inch wide with a lowered height of 3.25 inches and a maximum height of 9.2 inches. Also spring-loaded casters. Now if you need to move more product, there are other lengths that you can get. Moving on to the ergonomics of this unit, you have ambidextrous capabilities. You have padding on both sides, right and left. Cushiony floor for operator comfortability. Now on top of here, you have your handle and your till, both with these same features. You have your up, you have your down, you have your horn. Now on the till, you have your digital battery life display, your horn, up, down, and an emergency stop button. And you can operate this using one hand. Hold on to the handle, and you can move forward, or you can move back. If you'd like more information or would like to demo or rent this unit, please give us a call, 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at www.williamstoyotalift.com. Thank you.